So hello, what's up guys, I think everyone doing great, and today's video is about our bot. And Prime Premium bot is absolutely free for you guys. Everyone asking me that how the really bot works and how to use the signals, how to follow signals and take trade through the bot, and how we can use the bot. So just simply go to our public channel bot. So just tap on it and then you'll get an interface like this. Here is the feedback of the giveaway, and then here is the bot's post. So this is Prime Premium bot, 100% most accurate signals all day. You can generate manual signals, you can generate auto signals. This is a bot which is lifetime free for you, and you will get the access for lifetime. So just simply scroll down, and here is the bot's username @Prime Trades VIP bot. Just tap on it, and then here you will get an interface like this. Then click on that small button, start bot. Click on start bot. Then here is an interface like this. So from the second option, here is select your language, and on first option here is I have created an account. You can select your language by tapping on the second option. Here is English, Bangla, Hindi, Urdu. I am selecting English because it's a global language. And then you can see here I have created an account. If you click on that button, here is the account verification interface. Just type here your trader ID, then click on post. UID received, verifying with server. Okay, activation successful, balance is that much, auto signal active, manual signal active, bot is now running on your account. Then after that, what you should do, click on back. After that, here is 4 options: auto signal, manual signal, home, logout device. So if we click on first option, which is auto signal, then here our bot has started successfully. It's analyzing and using Quotex indicator, and every momentum is checking. Okay, checking trend strength. Okay, validating payout percentage. Okay, now our signal will arrive. Okay, it has provided the signal. Here you can see Prime Trade signal. The broker is Quotex, pair is USD BRL OTC, and entry time is 7:49 to 7:50. The time zone of the signal is 5:30, so everyone set it on your settings. Just go to settings and select the time zone on 5:30 plus 5:30. Then come back to the trade, and then we are going to select USD BRL. Then 7:49, the signal has already started. Let's click on down because it will be down 100%. We have late, trade is running, and it's high confidence signal. Okay, 3 2 1 boom. Guys, we have profited our entry. The trade has successfully we have won the trade successfully, but as I took the entry, and here is the profit. So that's how you can use the bot. The auto signals will come one after one. You can see here searching the signal, 91% done. After the 100% completion, the entry will be here. Okay, another signal is coming. Let's click here stop signals, because we are going to now using manual signal. So there is the second option, which is manual signal. Click on that. As you can see, here is many options like live market and OTC markets also. So now this time we are using USD IDR. So the currency is selected. Now what you need to do, that to confirm the signal, here is option confirm one signal. Select on that. After that, our signals are arriving. So here, as you can see, our trade has came on down direction, USD IDR OTC 758 to 759. So let's just select USD IDR. Here is the USD IDR. Now that entry will be on down direction. So just few seconds left. Now we are taking down. Okay, 3 2 1. We have taken the trade, and this will be a 100% win. The candle has made a very big down. It's a deep win, 110% it's a win. So that's how our prime bot works. So those who haven't know about our prime bot, just simply go to our public channel and you can see here is the bot's address. You can use it for free. Just a simple criteria you have to fill up, that you need to create account from our link, then deposit minimum amount on that, and then you can use the bot for lifetime free. So here is the winning trade of our bot, 100% win, and you can see how big is the candle. So that's how our prime bot works. If you want to generate another signal, then here is the option generate again. Then you can again select the market and use the signal. So that's how our signals work. So if you are like bored using manual signal, then you can start auto signal also. So that's how our bot works. So following these criteria, you can use the prime bot for free lifetime. So just use it and make your trading journey more stable and comfortable. So see you on the next video, which is our course video class 1. So those who want a free course on YouTube channel, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and the Telegram channel link is on description. Just click on that and join our Telegram community and be a member of Prime Trades, be a member of Prime Premium Bot. See you soon at the next video. Till then, goodbye.